This is how to transfer an RRSP account from EQ Bank over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and press the icon with the arrows. Then just scroll down a tad to where it says Accounts and then press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple and then press Get Started. Once you're here under Most Popular, you might find EQ Bank, you might not if it doesn't appear, where it says Search for your institution. Just start typing in EQ Bank and then select it. Once you're here, you can then sign into EQ Bank through the app for a faster experience by pressing Next, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing for this example. Make sure that the RRSP account is selected and then press Next. And then you can add the required information to start the facilitation of the transfer. So that is how to transfer over an RRSP account from EQ Bank to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.